allowed the President to exercise her power to appoint in the series of decisions by the Supreme Court, and as well as the final recommendation of the Judicial Bar Council. I would presume that the President is properly guided not only by both the decisions of the Supreme Court and the JDC, but at the same time would definitely be in the right place to decide when to actually appoint the next Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. At the same time that May 10 election is just around the corner, I don't think May 17 is also that far to be taken into consideration. In other words, ay hindi ko naman nakikita nagmamadali ang Pangulo na magnumbra na ng bagong pinakamataas na magistrado ng ating kataas-taasang hukuman. Bagkus ay nararapat lamang siguro na ngayon mas sapat ang impormasyon na nasa tanggapan na ng Pangulo na may kinalaman sa iba't ibang kwalifikasyon ng mga naging nominado ng Judicial Bar.